I found you.
Maybe you shouldn't touch it.
That you were awfully close and scared the holy living piss out of me.
I found you.
That's my joke. Hello. I'm going to the bathhouse.
Is that where we're gonna hide for half the game again?
Probably.
Oh well,
Until
that works.
someone kills me, because I said I would go to the bathhouse to the shower, and then he can kill me.
Everybody get the hell out of my way!
Oh! Wait! Slender's right there in the doorway. Don't go that way. Don't go that way.
Oh, if I had a
Slender's there. Guys.
Go that way.
Okay, he healed me. Damn it!
Oh shit! Slender's right here. Oh. Stop! He's here. Guys, go! Guys, go now. Slender's right here around the corner.
Hey, Slender, there's a bunch of us over here. Kill us!
No, fuck you! Move! I don't want to die.
Yeah, he's downstairs. Ah!
Go! Get done!
You know damn right.
Get done here!
You
I need you to work.
My light went out, you asshole. And I'm scared half to shit.
No, Slender, leave me alone. God damn it, Slender! God damn it, Slender, I don't like you. Slender, leave me alone. Don't do it, Slender. I don't want to be your friend today. Maybe tomorrow. Fuck you, Slender! My light went out at the exact second, dick. Leave me alone! I don't want a hug! I didn't want your hug!
Hi, Steve.
Hi. He gave me a hug even though I didn't want it.
I gave him some cake.
You gave him cake and then he wanted to kill me for my ice cream sandwich.
Oh my god. I don't like his face. I don't like it.
He gave me a hug. It hurt.
I gave him some cake.
He involuntarily took a hug from me.
I hope this Slender will be nice enough to actually let me finish my shower. Then
Yeah, I
don't
don't.
kill me.
I kind of got blocked from getting to the basement, so I couldn't stop him from doing that.
I saw that, and then when I walked over there, he was killing the skeleton, and so I just like, okay, I'm out.
Yeah, I didn't know where you went. I heard you talking, but I couldn't find you. And then by the time I found you, you were dead.
I was in the tunnels.
Yeah, I kind of figured that out.
I always go there first for some reason, no matter where I am. Oh, hello!
Oh, fuck! Yeah, I looked straight at him because I didn't see him at first.
Shower! I'm taking a shower. No one come in. Please be courteous.
I'm gonna guard the door.
Okay.
What was that?
Pretty cool. close. That was someone dying.
Oh,
Sounded
yeah.
very close.
That was probably right upstairs over us.
Oh, lovely.
Oh fuck, he's down here, he's down here.
He's there. He's there.
No! Slender, go away! Here.
Kill me. Let her go. Let her go, Slender.
No!
He got you too?
I'm taking a shower.
I don't like
Could you be
this.
respectful and please wait by the door?
Little!
I'll be out in a minute. Just
I
give
don't
me a
like
second.
this.
Thank you.
Hello?
I appreciate it.
Hello?
I'll be out in a minute so you can kill me. Just wanna finish the shower. You killed my friend. Oh, he will be missed. Just gotta finish up the shower.
Yep, he got you.
Whoa.
Yeah, he got me, and I asked him to let you live if I let him kill me.
It never works out though.
Yeah, he let you live for a little bit longer, but
He actually let me take a shower for a small amount of time.
yeah,
Longer than any other Thunderman let me take a shower.
it hurts when he gives you hugs without you wanting them. I mean, as you saw, he stuck me in the ceiling. I don't know why Slender had to stick me in the ceiling, but it hurt. He gave me a headache.
Decoration.
He gave me a headache.
It was fancy decoration. You have to admire the decoration. I've played Slender the Arrival too many times to have an actual heart attack to end this game. I'll get scared a couple times, but...
I don't know, I have a video that I posted on my YouTube playing White Noise with my friend that I screamed like a girl in.
You should send me a link of that.
I will.
I want to hear you.
I'll add you as a friend and I'll send you a link to it after we're done with this.
Okay. Because I would more than be happy to watch you scream like a little girl.